sir. My name is John Lucaswan and I'm gonna make a laboratory in IM101. So let's start. So first is we're gonna make a database. So we're gonna create. We're gonna put statement create database, and then we're gonna name it Jerome. I name it myself. Go. So we're gonna make a table. So make sure we're gonna go into exact database, and we're gonna go into SQL. Then I'm gonna put the save that I make earlier data. So here is the tree table, and I name it Judge Joe, and then press go, and here we're gonna see the three tables, and then we're gonna go again in the SQL. So we're gonna drop a table, one table. So we're gonna drop one name, drop table, get. So get, there's also a drop down option that you put the table. So we're gonna see the drop down option, the table that you put, and we're gonna just get, and then this, and then go, and then we see the table J that we drop is nothing in our Jerome database, in my database. And then lastly, I'm gonna go again in a SQL, and then we're gonna delete a data inside the table. Then we're gonna put on a statement delete from ja. I'm gonna delete ja. No. We're gonna put info inside the inside the ja. So we're gonna make insert in ja. We're gonna make data inside the ja, and first is values net, and next is we're gonna written on the ja name ja table ja, and we're gonna see the uh, data inside of the table that I put in it. And then also, if we were gonna delete it, we're gonna go to SQL, and then we're gonna delete it. Oh, we're gonna delete from ja. I'm gonna delete data from ja, and then clear, and then the name is Isra. So we're gonna put a close parenthesis, and then go. We're gonna go. So we're gonna see the indication that we're gonna delete the data name Isra. Then we're gonna delete it, and as you can see, we're gonna go to table name ja, and then the name Isra is already deleted. And that's all, sir. Thank you.